Welcome back to UKInfos. Today we are going to learn some fundamental questions from computer. The term computer is derived from Latin. Who is the inventor of difference engine? Charles Babbage. Who is the father of computer? Charles Babbage. Who is the father of computer science? Alan Turing. Who is the father of personal computer? Edward Robert. A CPU contains a control unit and an arithmetic logic unit. Which of the following controls the process of interaction between the user and the operating system? User interface. The first computers were programmed using machine language. DAS is a combination of hardware and software that facilitates the sharing of information between computing devices. Network. Coded entries which are used to gain access to a computer system are called passwords. Which of the following statements is true? Mini computer works faster than microcomputer. We organize files by storing them in folders. What type of resource is most likely to be a shared common resource in a computer network? Printers. Which device is required for the internet connection? Modem. What is a light pen? Optical input device. UNIVAC stands for Universal Automatic Computer. CD-ROM stands for Compact Disk Read Only Memory. ALU is Arithmetic Logic Unit. VGA is Video Graphics Array. IBM 1401 is second generation computer. MSI stands for Medium Scale Integrated Circuits. The capacity of 3.5-inch floppy disk is 1.44 MB. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. MICR stands for Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. CAD stands for Computer Aided Design. Thank you for watching.